Hare Krishna. Today we are going to read Bhagavad-gītā, chapter number 1, text number 1. Dhrutarashtra uvāca dharma-kṣetre kuru-kṣetre samavetā yuyutsavaḥ māmakāḥ pāṇḍavāś kim akurvata Sañjaya. This is the question by Dhrutarashtra to Sañjaya, that my sons and Pāṇḍavāś, what did they do? So, Dhrutarashtra. Dhruta means attached. Rashtra means the kingdom. So, Dhrutarashtra, this name itself suggests that the person who is very attached to the kingdom is called Dhrutarashtra. Dhrutarashtra uvāca. What he said? Dharma-kṣetre kuru-kṣetre samavetā yuyutsavaḥ. Samavetā means assembled. Where? At Kurukṣetra place. So in India, this Kurukṣetra battlefield is still present, and this place is a holy place because here a very religious pious activities and a place where the worship is done by the king Kuru. That's why the word Kurukṣetra has come, and it's a place of religion. Dharma-kṣetre, samavetā, assembled, yuyutsavaḥ, for fighting. The Japanese word jujutsu also comes from this word yuyutsavaḥ. So, who are assembled? The Pāṇḍavāś, the 5 sons of Pāṇḍu, versus 100 sons of Kaurava, of Kuru dynasty. Pāṇḍava, māmakāḥ. Māmakāḥ means Dhṛtarāṣṭra's sons. There are 100 sons of Dhṛtarāṣṭra. Kim akurvata Sañjaya. Sañjaya, what did they do? So this Sañjaya was a disciple of Vyasadeva, and Srila Vyasadeva has given him a transcendental vision to observe the battlefield of Kurukṣetra in a complete way. So Sañjaya was reporting all the details of the battlefield, and that's the reason why Dhrutarashtra was asking these crooked questions. Why Dhrutarashtra is crooked? Because he was very attached to the kingdom and he wanted that his impious sons should come out victorious. But at the same time, he was very fearful that the influence of this holy place, dharma-kṣetre, kuru-kṣetra, may influence in the favor of Pāṇḍavāś, and Pāṇḍava will come out victoriously. So he was very determined that this war should happen, but at the same time he was very scared and fearful that his sons will be defeated, because the father of religion, Lord Śrī Kṛṣṇa himself, was present on that battlefield on the side of Pāṇḍavāś as their advisor. So it is said, as the paddy field is nurtured, the unwanted plants are removed. In the similar way, on this battlefield of Kurukṣetra, where the place of religion is there, the Dhrutarashtra was afraid that his sons will be killed and removed from this earth planet like unwanted plants in the paddy fields, because the father of religion, Śrī Kṛṣṇa, was present there. And at the same time, in Gita we can understand that there is always a victory of a religious person. So from this first shloka we can clearly understand the Dhrutarashtra was not just blind by his eyes, but he was mentally blind. And we should be careful that we should not follow the example of Dhrutarashtra, and we should not be attached to any particular place like a Dhrutarashtra. And in Gita-māhātmya also it is said that one should read Gita very scrutinizingly, with each word's understanding. And this Bhagavad-gītā is actually a theistic science which is summarized by Gītā-māhātmya. So our humble attempt to present this Bhagavad-gītā through this video series is to make understand Bhagavad-gītā exactly like Arjuna understood Bhagavad-gītā directly from the Supreme Lord Krishna himself. So the best example to follow is Arjuna himself, and one should understand Bhagavad-gītā from the pure devotee of Śrī Kṛṣṇa, so that this perfect theistic science can be understood as it is. That's the reason why Srila Prabhupada said this Bhagavad-gītā as it is. And this word dharma-kṣetre is also very significant because it's a place of religion, and Kurukṣetra is also very significant. So considering this historical and Vedic importance of the place, we can understand that at the first shloka itself that Pandavas are going to be victorious. Dharma-kṣetre kuru-kṣetre samavetā yuyutsavaḥ māmakāḥ pāṇḍavāś akurvata Sañjaya. Hare Krishna. One should also understand that whatever available knowledge is there in all other scriptures is already included in Bhagavad-gītā. But the knowledge which is available in Bhagavad-gītā may not be in other scriptures. So in this way, Bhagavad-gītā is a perfect knowledge. And once you understand Bhagavad-gītā, there is nothing important remain to understand. So my request to you is that please take this Bhagavad-gītā reading on priority in your life so that the human form of life can become perfect. Hare Krishna.